Fusion MS-RA70NSX Marine Entertainment System with Bluetooth and NMEA 2000. Introducing the MS-RA70N, Fusion's sleekest value-packed marine stereo, designed to deliver a quality on-water entertainment experience by incorporating some of the latest marine technologies. Engineered to seamlessly replace any standard DIN-sized non-marinized stereo without the need to reconfigure dash space. Clever styling allows an installer the option of either mounting the stereo with a conventional dash finish or an option to integrate into a glass helm with a flush surface mount, ensuring a high-end installation. Tuner, AM/FM with RDS, where available, multi-language user interface, English, French, German, Spanish, Dutch and Italian audio zones, 2 onboard amplified zones. Nameable zones, up to 10 characters. Line out, 2, 1 XL plus R per zone requires amplification, subwoofer out, 1, zone 1. Requires amplification, auxiliary inputs, 1X stereo RCA input, AUX, SiriusXM-Ready, yes, a SiriusXM Connect vehicle tuner and subscription are required. Available in USA only. Fusion Link Wireless, available via Bluetooth with the Fusion Link Remote Control app, available for download from the Apple App Store or Google Play. The Fusion Link Lite app is available from the Garmin Connect IQ store to enable wireless control from a compatible Garmin watch. Fusion Link Wired, compatible with the Fusion Marine NMEA 2000 wired remote control and any Fusion Link supported MFD. NMEA 2000 certified, LAN/1 Bluetooth wireless technology, A2DP Bluetooth audio streaming with AVRCP USB, 1X USB connector at the rear of the unit. Supports 1 amp charging. USB audio format, MP3 water resistance, IPX7 water resistant front panel when installed correctly. Chassis, electrically isolated glass-filled composite chassis with an aluminum side fin heatsink with VCT amplifier, class AB 4x50 watts, at 4 ohms. Top reviews from the United States. Just buy it. Great sound. Bluetooth connection is seamless. Highly recommended.